Welcome back to CoCo Finance. Today, we're venturing further into an area that's close to the hearts of many. How can new mothers harness the power of the internet to earn during their maternity break? As we all know, embracing the wonders of motherhood while ensuring financial stability can seem like a tightrope walk. But with determination and the right tools, it's not just a dream. So, let's dive in, and don't forget to take notes. We're about to unveil some gems. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are treasure troves for freelancers. Identify your niche and let your skills shine. For instance, if writing is your forte, how about penning articles on motherhood or baby care? Regularly refresh your portfolio, engage with clients, and always be receptive to constructive criticism to elevate your game. Educational platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com are not just for academic subjects. How about sharing lessons on homemade baby food recipes, prenatal exercises, or DIY baby room decor? Make your sessions interactive, perhaps with quizzes or fun facts, and try to align them with your baby's sleep schedule. Etsy, known for its unique crafts, is another avenue. Delve into creating handcrafted baby toys, innovative maternity accessories, or even DIY kits for baby room decor. Offer seasonal specials and perhaps a loyalty program to keep your customers coming back. Affiliate marketing is a goldmine if done right. Promote products that have been beneficial to you during your maternity journey. Craft engaging stories or tutorials around these products, and always maintain transparency with your audience about affiliate links. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie value your unique perspective as a new mom. Dedicate a small portion of your day to these, perhaps during a quiet evening, and focus on surveys that align with your experiences. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be both therapeutic and profitable. Share your personal motherhood journey, DIY crafts for babies, or even time management tips for new moms. Engage with your audience, host Q sessions, and collaborate with like-minded influencers or brands. Dropshipping is an excellent way to start a retail journey without the inventory hassle. Curate a collection of baby essentials, eco-friendly maternity products, or home organization tools for new moms. Ensure you partner with reliable suppliers and offer exceptional customer service. Your photography skills can capture the essence of motherhood. Platforms like Shutterstock are always on the lookout for authentic, relatable images. Capture the myriad emotions, from the baby's first laugh to the serene moments of breastfeeding, and make them available for others to cherish. Virtual assistance is in high demand. Offer specialized services like calendar management for new mom groups, content curation for parenting websites, or even social media management for baby product brands. Stay updated with the latest tools and apps to enhance efficiency. BabyQuip and similar platforms are not just about gear. Think of renting out baby-proofing equipment, postpartum care kits, or even themed decor for baby's first birthday. Ensure items are in pristine condition and consider offering instructional videos or guides with rentals. And there we have it, CoCo Finance Community. An extended guide to empower all the wonderful mothers to navigate the online earning landscape. Remember, every new endeavor is a learning experience. So, choose a path, embrace the journey, and watch yourself grow. If you found this session enlightening, do hit the like button, share with fellow moms, and don't forget to subscribe. Together, we're a force of knowledge and empowerment. Until our next chat, stay inspired and financially empowered.